Hey guys! Today I'll be showing you how I customize my home screen using the new iOS 14 update that I just downloaded yesterday, and I actually am loving it so much right now. It reminds me of when I was young. I used to customize the icons of my apps, and it would take so long to do them because it would be very complicated. But now iOS 14 makes it so easy to just customize your apps or the cover of the apps. So yeah, I'm loving it so far, and I went with the theme of Hobicore. If you guys like BTS, then you know Hobie's aesthetics, and I just really love it. So I just went with that theme, and this is what it looks like right now. I'll show you guys a closer look through a screen recording, but basically the home screen looks like this, and then I have like a small photo, and you can add as many photos as you want on your home screen now, and the rest of the apps that you don't use as frequently, you can just put into the app library, which is the best feature that iOS has come up with so far, because I always had such a messy home screen because I love to have like many apps to use, especially when I take photos and like edit, but they would just all be like so messy looking on my home screen, but now I can change it. So yeah, I'm really loving it so far, and I'll show you guys how I did all the customization through screen recording now. Okay, so this is what my home screen looks like right now. There's nothing much because I like to keep it simple. All the apps I don't use much goes into the app library. So the first thing you do is go into the Shortcuts app. You press the top right to add a new shortcut. And then you're going to search Open App, and then choose the app you want to change the cover of. Then you press the three dots at the top right, and then you press Add to Home Screen. Once you press that, you can change the name, and then you can choose Photo. I just downloaded cute photos of BTS to put on the icons. You just press save and done, and then you should see it on your home screen. Okay, so next I'm going to show you guys how to use Widgetsmith. You should download the app to customize all the widgets. You can add widgets of all sizes like calendars, or you can also just add a normal photo. Okay, so next I'll show you guys how to add these photos. First, you create a new album with one photo in it. And you're going to choose whatever size of the widget you want, and then scroll down to Photo and Album, and then choose the album that you have that photo in. And then you're just going to press Save and go back to the home screen. Press an empty space and you'll see a plus sign appear on the top left corner. Look for the Widgetsmith app and then choose the widget that you created. And voila, it should show up on your home screen. You can long press and move it around wherever you want. Okay, so after you're done using the Widgetsmith app, you can long press on it, press Remove App, and then press Move to App Library. And yep, that's it. And you can repeat the process again to add any new widgets of the same size. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. It's really short and quick and easy. It only took 30 minutes in total for me to do all of this. So yeah, I'm sure you guys can do way better customized themes than me because I'm not that creative. But if you guys do create a theme, please share with me through my Instagram. It's Kcho. You guys can tag me on your stories or whatever, and I would love to see them. Honestly, I'm sure you guys would do a way better job than me. And yeah, please comment down below what you think of iOS 14, and also subscribe to my channel because I just started this channel, and I'll be documenting my journey moving to South Korea because I just moved here, and I'll be vlogging in Korea as well. So yeah, see you guys later.